Geometry Bingo. This is a digital bingo game, and this one is pirate themed. All the instructions are on slide 2. There are 26 different bingo cards, and if you have more than 26 students, all you need to do is click on one of the thumbnails on the left-hand side, come up here to slide duplicate, and you can duplicate as many different cards as you need. All of the geometry terms that you're going to give to the students are on slide 3. So as you use them, just click and hold on the edge and move them over to the right-hand side. And that way you know which ones you've used. At the end of the game, all you have to do is come up here to the undo arrow, click it repeatedly, and everything goes right back into place. I give the students editing rights so they can come into the game. They can scroll up and down till they find the bingo board that they want. I have my students just click into one of the chips and then type their name or initials, and that way they claim the board. So other students can see that this board's been claimed and they need to find a different one. So as you're calling these out to the students are going to find the visual that matches the term on their board. They're going to click and hold on one of the chips and move it to cover the answer. So for example, this would be obtuse angle. And then supplementary angles, rectangular prism, and so on. Now, once the students get 5 in a row, they can call out bingo. If you want to check and see if their answers are correct, just have them move the chips to the side, and that way you can check and see if their answers are correct. At the end of the game, the student can come up to the undo arrow, click it repeatedly. All the chips go back into place, and their name comes off the chip. So if they want to play a second time, they could scroll up and down and find a different bingo board, and they could play again. So this is Geometry Bingo, digital, and this one is pirate themed.